Zwoom and Aramco are announcing a strategic partnership to provide unified communication services to the Kingdom and establishing Zwoom's first global data center in the MENA region in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And now, a short video from Zwoom and Aramco.
Clear and secure communication is vital for our technology-driven future. Aligned with the Kingdom's vision and our aspiration to become the world's leading digitalised energy company, Aramco is collaborating with the brightest minds and leading companies around the world to help develop the Kingdom's communications industry. Our new partnership with Zwoom Video Communications positions Saudi Arabia as their Middle East and North Africa hub, creating jobs and upskilling local talent, paving the way to become the ultimate destination for investment in the region, opening up new opportunities, encouraging innovation and development, and contributing long-term to the Kingdom's economy. We're accelerating digital transformation, enabling and supporting unified communication across a wide range of sectors. Our partnership with Zwoom advances our communications infrastructure to develop and sustain high-quality technologies across the Kingdom, driving progress and uniting us in a shared vision for a better future.
Many thanks for that video.